see how you can download a dataset for your research. Okay, so the very first step of any research is to acquire the problem. That you have to define the problem. You have to find for which problem you're going to research. Okay, so the second step will be to get the data. So this is what we'll be lagging. Like we don't know where to find the data and how to proceed it further. I'm going to show you top 8 data repositories where you can download the dataset for free. Okay, so the very first dataset repository is Kaggle. So here you can download the dataset. So once if you enter kaggle.com, okay. So once if you enter kaggle.com, the landing page will be on the home page. If you want, you can even login, sign up and login. Okay, once if you have landed to the home page, you have to click to the datasets. Okay, on the left side, fine, in the dataset link where you can see various datasets. Okay, so this is the trending dataset which is available, which is currently very trending. Okay, so if you want to see the trending dataset, you can simply click here, see all. Fine, it will show you what are the trending dataset. If you want to download from these things, okay, for example, if I want to download a large car dataset, click here and just scroll down. You can see that you have the dataset here and the details about the dataset, like what are the columns and everything is there. And then you can just see how many columns are there and how many rows are there. Okay, so 156 columns. So there are 156 columns in your dataset. Okay, and if you want to download, see the size of the dataset, it's nearly 4.99 GB. Okay, and if you want to download, you can simply click here, download. It will ask you for sign up if you haven't signed in or logged in. So once if you sign up, you can directly download it. Okay, it's for free. If you need any specific data set, for example, image based data set, okay, so if you need an image based data set, you can simply click there where you can see the data set which are relevant to images, image classification, image data set, like that. Okay, so this is the first and important data repository, which is Kaggle. And the second one is data.gov. Okay, so this data.gov is provided by US government, where you can find the relevant data. Specifically, it will be having like US based data set. Okay, so you can find what are the various formats of data you can download it, like CSV, RDF, JSON, XML, etc. And once if you need this specific data, you can click here CSV. It will be downloaded. Okay, for this you don't want to sign up. Just if you can just simply search and download it. Okay, so this is the second important data set, data repository. And the third one is UCI Machine Learning. UCI Machine Learning Repository. So don't worry, I'll be posting all these links, all these top 8 data repositories link in the description box, and as well as you can see my other videos which are related to research in my description box. Okay, in this video description box. So here you can see that these are all the data set which are in the UCI Learning Repository. And this is for classification. So if you want anything for regression, you can simply click here, regression, where you can see all the data set where you can do and implement regression algorithms. Okay, so next is a Google data repository. So Google itself, they have created a data repository, data sets research search, where you can search for your data set. Okay, so if I click COVID or cancer, okay, you can see the what are, in which source you can find the cancer data set. Okay, various source. From here you can download it. So it is available in zip and CSV file. Okay, from here you can easily download it. So this is about Google data search. Okay, data set search. And the next one is the 538. Okay, 538 is another type of data repository where you can see another set of collections to download. Okay, like soccer, MLB predictions, latest polls. Okay, so most probably it will be like on games and economics, politics, sports. Okay, sports related data, you can see it here, cultural related data. Okay, here you can see the categorization. Okay, categories. From here you can download it. You have a download option, as well as you can also see the information about the particular data. Okay, so how many CSV files are there in the data and how to download and everything. So next is what you're going to see is GitHub data. Okay, GitHub, where it has a repository of dataset. So here you can see that you have the categories like agriculture, energy, museum, public, sports. So whatever you want, you can simply click here. It will show you where it is available. Okay, so simply click on the hard drive failures rate. It will direct you to a website. So from that website you can download the data. Okay, you can possibly download the data. Fine. So this is about GitHub dataset. And the next one is datagov.in, that is Indian dataset. Okay, Indian dataset repository. So anything which is related to Indian data, like to download the MSME registered unit under UTM scheme or project management unit, events and engagements. So anything which is related or which has happened in India, those dataset you can download it from data.gov.in. Okay, and the last dataset which we wish to discuss is Keel. Okay, so Keel is a knowledge extraction based on evolutionary learning dataset, where here also you can find the dataset which are available in UCA repository as well. But you can also see some another set of dataset, and the one important advantage is that you can download the complete dataset at one stretch. Okay, so all these dataset which are available here, you can download it completely as a zip file. Okay, so these are the top 8 important data repositories which every researcher should know. Fine. If you have any doubt in this, and if you need any other topic to be discussed related to research or anything, the topic which is discussed related to technology, you can just post it in the comment box. So I'll be discussing about that soon. Thank you for watching. Share this knowledge. Thank you so much. Bye bye.